In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft and send a connection request on LinkedIn, complete with a personalized message. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your networking skills, this guide is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. First things first, we need to navigate to LinkedIn's homepage. Type www.linkedin.com into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, you'll see two main options for signing in. Sign in with Google, or the traditional continue with your account where you enter your email and password. Go ahead and sign in using the method that works best for you. After you've successfully signed in, your next step is to locate the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. This is your gateway to find anyone on the platform. Now it's time to search for the person you'd like to connect with. Type their name into the search bar and press enter. LinkedIn will show you a list of profiles matching the name you entered. Once you've identified the correct profile from the list, click on it to view more details. This brings you to a summary of their profile, but you'll want to view their full profile to send a connection request. Look for and click the button or link that says View Full Profile to do just that. On their full profile page, you'll notice a blue Connect button, usually located near the top of the profile. Click on this button to start the connection process. LinkedIn offers you the opportunity to personalize your connection request by adding a note. This is a crucial step to differentiate your request from the countless others they might receive. Click the Add a Note button to open a text box where you can write your message. When drafting your note, you'll want to keep it professional, yet personal. Briefly introduce yourself, mention any mutual connections or interests, and clearly state why you want to connect. It's also good practice to keep it concise, as LinkedIn imposes a character limit on these messages. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to send it into the LinkedIn universe. Hit the send button to deliver your connection request, complete with your personalized note to their inbox, and that's all there is to it. Sending a thoughtful, well-crafted connection request on LinkedIn can open doors to new professional opportunities and expand your network. Remember, networking is about building genuine relationships, so always lead with sincerity in your messages. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to connect on LinkedIn with a personalized message. Here's to making meaningful connections on your professional journey.